Okay, I was just recording part one that went good. Well, not at the end, but in the last one I was recording it kind of just stopped by itself. I kind of accidentally hit it with my hand trying to bike. Me and my brother are gonna bike to the beach, and yeah, we might ride somewhere else too. It's like turning night, but also it's really hot. We're in Florida now. Last video, well, no, not the last video. No, not really. No, not really. I just started another one because my last one went wrong. I accidentally hit the... Okay, hold on. Let me just take a picture of this house real quick. Dang. And I'm leaving that in. I said D-A-M-E. That house is just so good.
You want to see those coconuts?
This way is to the beach. The tree is so tree? What does that mean? Looks like fire right there. Can't see them. Oh my god, I almost just fell off. Like in part one. This way. Well, we can't go on it unless we have that pink thing. Yeah, we can't go in it. It's kind of blurry. Oh my god. I might actually almost drop the phone.
Coconut.
What, coconut?
I want it.
Sounded weird. Looks like a birdhouse. Move it down. Oh, Isaac, let's get a shot at the thing before we... Wait, is it down here? Oh, it's not down here. The guy with the helmet and the glasses.
Luki doesn't know where the beach is.
No, I do. It's just I'm trying to find the mailbox that had it was like the manatee with glasses and the helmet.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
You guys want to go back?
Sure. I might make a Fortnite video of the new season, even though it's kind of trash. What is that? Oh, it's a light. I'm just gonna go home and make a Fortnite vid. I haven't tried to get 2 in a row because I won last time I played, and I haven't played since then. So I have the crown, but I don't know if I want to play on that account. That was my brother's account that he won on. My account is just better, has better skins, and I'm gonna buy something from the item shop for 500, and I only have 500, like 30 V-Bucks. Hi, Mama.
Where are they at?
Coming back.
Are you
Hi, JC.
Or are you going home?
Going home, making a Fortnite video. Hi.
Alright, Julian, Ricky's gonna go home so you can go home with me.
Juicy. Say hi to them.
Hi.
I think they said hi too.
Hey, Rex, with them. Go. Stay on this side, Juicy.
Come on, Julie. Come on, Julian.
Come on, come on. But that's slower.
I know.
Oh, you had ties? You had nails?
Yeah. Okay. I just need to stay with them, so I'm going slower.
Wait, can I talk to them?
Huh?
Can I talk to them?
Yeah.
Hi.
They said hi.
Hi.
They said hi too. What else?
What is his name?
I don't know their names.
They're probably said they're called.
Oh, Julian, we can't go in there. It's their yard.
Good job on riding your bike.